Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this rose box. It is a perfect gift for Valentine's Day or for any day. Let's get to it. You're going to need some roses. I got these from Target. They were $19.99 for a dozen. Sometimes I like to spread out the petals a little, but you gotta be careful because they're fragile and you don't want to break them. So if you want to make them look more voluminous, just spread these out a little. Flower food came with the roses. Wet foam, I got this from Hobby Lobby for $4.19. Always use their coupons. Originally it's $6.99, but they had 40% off. The flower box. This is very nice because it has lining in it. You can find that at, that's not going to focus, is it? FSS.com. Some water for the foam and this because I'm going to mix flower food in here and then put the foam in there with the food. So I'm going to take my flower food, floral food, put it in my water, mix it all in until it's all dissolved. So I was a little worried the other bowl wouldn't work, so I transferred it over in this one, which has much more space. So what you do is you just set the foam on top of the water and then you let it gradually soak in. While your foam is doing its thing, you can now start preparing your roses by taking them out, taking off the greenery that you won't be needing, and cutting them down to the size you want them for your box. So the foam got water as much as it needed, and now I'm going to try to fit this into here. So here is the foam in the box. It's not perfect, but it will do. All of my roses cut down to size. I think this is going to be a good size. So let me show you. We will see. So I'll be back after I have put them in here. And I'm just going to put them random places and work around it. This is what I have so far. I honestly have no clue what I'm doing. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Okay, y'all, so here it is, my finished flower rose box, whatever you want to call it. I used all 12 roses. I honestly probably should have got a few more roses to fill in some spaces here, but I didn't, and I am not running to the store right now. So this is what we're going to work with. I actually really like it. It proved to be a lot more difficult than I thought. I've never worked with wet foam before. I know, crazy. But yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. You could give it to someone, keep it for yourself, whatever you want to do. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me through this process as I figured out what I was doing. I hope you enjoyed, and if you recreate this, let me know. I'd be happy to see it. Thanks, bye!